Hey guys, Cheng Yu here, and yes, as you've seen from the title alone, I am revealing my $10,000 investment portfolio. Okay, and before I continue, the intention of this video is not to flex, or show off to you guys. I'm just kidding. In fact, it is. I'll be doing an update video every week, okay, on my investment portfolio and how it's doing. Alright, and I will be documenting my journey and experiences in investing, and we'll be showing you the good and bad of investing, and hopefully there will be more good that comes out of it. Okay, in hopes of actually motivating more of you guys to start investing yourself. That's what I actually hope to achieve. Alright, because it's not really very difficult to start investing, and it's something that I've procrastinated for a while, but I slightly regret after I've seen the benefits of investing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Yes, it is the 13th of December 2020 today, and yeah, my portfolio is about $10,031. Alright, so you can see days gain about negative $251. So alright, by the way, it's a Sunday today, and the stock market only opens on the weekdays. Alright, it closes on the weekends. So on the previous Friday, I actually lost $251 in one day. Yeah, sounds like a lot. It is, but it's not something a long-term investor as me will worry. Okay, so I invest long-term. Alright, I don't invest short-term. So short-term fluctuations are really crazy, so it's not something that should affect you. Okay, I mean, I'm only looking at when prices drop really low, I might consider to buy more stocks back in. Alright, because as a long-term investor, I'm looking at the stock price, about 5 to 10 years later. Alright, so that's something for you to know. Okay, short-term fluctuations about this much, it's actually very normal. Okay, so as below you can see, under total gains, I am up about $2,077. Alright, and it's about 26% increase from when I started investing, which was on the 1st of September in 2020. So yeah, in fact, I have only about 3 months of experience in investing, and yeah, I'm currently up 26%, which is actually very impressive for me. It's not something that I expected. I expected about 7% or 10 at most, but 26% is really something abnormal for me. Something out of my expectation. Because of COVID this year, many stocks have crashed and then recovered very quickly. So it's a very special year to invest, in fact. Alright, so okay, let's move on. So on the left, you can see there are the symbols, okay, or the ticker symbols. That's what they call it in investing. And they are the short forms for the whole company name, because company names are too long. They break it out into 3 letters, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, sometimes 5. Okay, so the first stock is AQB, which is short for Aqua Bounty Technologies. Alright, and what this company does is actually find a more sustainable way in growing salmons, because we are consuming it at a very, the world is consuming it at a very fast rate. So they're finding a more sustainable way to grow salmons, hopefully meet the demand and beat the demand for the consumption of salmons. Alright, so this company, it's something that I started investing like this week only, like the previous week, and yeah, it's just something I'm looking short term. In fact, AQB, yeah, just something I bought recently. It's like close to a penny stock. Penny stocks are below $5 per share, so it was once a penny stock. It jumped twice and then it fell down again. It started at $4, it went up to about $6, then it's stagnant and went up to 11, and then it went back down to about 7. So this is something that I'm investing in short term. In fact, I'm just trying it out, so not much expectations for this. I'll probably sell it once it hit about $10, I think, but there will be an update for another video in the future. Alright, so currently it's down about 0.14%. I'm down about $1 I invested in it at $7.25 for 100 shares. So I'm down about 1 cent per share, yeah, which is $1 total. Okay, the next will be NIO. Okay, the company is just called NIO. All right, it's a EV vehicle company. All right, based in China. Okay, I wouldn't say it's entirely an EV vehicle company. Their main source of focus might be EV, but they are a lifestyle company. All right, why do I say that? Because behind just being a customer of their EV vehicles, right? Okay, their electronic vehicles. All right, they do provide very good service, such as, you know, entertainment services. They even have clothing lines for their customers and stuff like that. So it's really all-in-one package, okay, for what the company provides for their customers. And there has been very good feedback and reviews on this company alone. Like every customer they have, a 50% referral rate, okay, that they will refer it to someone else. For every 2 customers they have, 1 customer will refer NIO to their friends, their family, you know, their relatives. So it has been showing very promising results, and the service is extremely good. All right, there are more details online if you like to find. I own 15 shares on an average about $41.67. Currently, it's not doing so good. Okay, it's only up about 0.75%. It's been going down lately. I'm not too sure why. Market correction, fluctuations, okay. It's not really important to me. I might buy more at $40. Alright, I'm looking for that. It has reached all-time high of $57 before, $57.20, and last month, alright, it has hit an all-time, it has hit a high of $56.90 before. So that was a pretty good days, but it dropped again. Okay, so that's not too worrying. I might just buy more and hopefully, you know, it'll recover soon enough. Alright, so next is Tesla, another electronic vehicle company based in the US. Okay, and the CEO, Elon Musk himself. Alright, this is one of my biggest positions. Alright, means I own the most amount of, most of my money is into this stock alone. So even though I have only 11 shares compared to AQB, we have 100 shares. Each share alone for Tesla, I own it at an average cost of $467. Alright, so that's why it's one of my biggest positions. Alright, and it's been doing really well. Alright, 30% up since I started investing, and about $1,572 gain in just dollars. Been performing pretty well. My strongest belief in this entire portfolio is actually, in fact, Tesla. I believe in Tesla. I believe that Tesla will actually do the best in 5 to 10 years to come. And yeah, we'll see how it performs as I continue documenting this. Alright, next, ARKG. Alright, ARKG is an ETF. Alright, as you can see from the top, ARK Genomic Revolution ETF. ETF is short for exchange traded funds. They are a collection of stocks, okay, or shares of multiple companies. Alright, and they're just a collection of them all, and so you can just invest in one and you own basically a fraction of every company. Yeah, so they are managed by ARK Invest, which is a global asset manager. Alright, and what they do is they basically they're a team of people that picks a certain amount of stocks, and then if you invest into them, you're basically investing into what they pick, and you can gain the benefits from that directly. ARKG, alright, has been one of my best performing stock picks, okay, up about 55%, 55.6%. I own about 6 shares, up about 55.6%. I own this share at about average cost of $61.60, and it's currently $95.86. Alright, so all the prices you see here are the current price of the stocks and not the price where I actually bought in. Okay, so ARKK, also by the same company, ARK Invest. Alright, I own 5 shares. It's performing very good as well at 29.7%. I bought in at each share about $95.50. Currently, they are $123.87. Next will be SE, ticker symbol SE. short for C Limited. Alright, this is a company that owns Shopee, Garena, and also they have a C coin currency that they're trying to build. I own 4 shares and have a total gain of about 24%. So I own each share at $155 on average, and the current price is at $193 right now. So yeah, that's my entire portfolio. I own a total of 6 different types of stocks, and yeah, this is how they have been performing so far. That's all I really have for this video. So with all that, as you can see, my current holding is about at $10,000. Alright, means that all these stocks combined, alright, is worth $10,000 right now. Alright, and total gain I'm up about $2,077. So means that I have put in about $8,000 USD personally. Alright, and it's now up about $2,000 in 3 months. Yeah, I think that is pretty good. I think that's pretty good, honestly. Alright, and yeah, I hope that this has, inspired you to, maybe start looking into investing yourself and start investing into the stock market. I may have shown you my portfolio, alright, but do not invest in it unless you've done your research, alright, in these companies and you believe that these companies will, grow in time to come. I invest in growth companies, innovative companies, which I believe will disrupt the space in the industry they're in, and that can really, they're basically growth companies which can really grow a lot. And yeah, that's what I personally invest in. That's all I really have. I'm Cheng Yu, and I talk about anything, along investing, personal finance, self-development, anything adulting as just a young adult in Singapore. And if you like my content, do follow me. If any questions, leave them down below, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.